Hello Internet, picture this scenario. You have the same parent selector on multiple places throughout your style sheet. Wouldn't it be cool if you would only need that parent selector once and place all related styles below it? Well, now you can thanks to CSS nesting. Let's get to know this awesome feature. The following HTML markup consists of a div that has a headline and a paragraph inside it and another paragraph outside of it. Well, let's head over to our empty style sheet and apply some basic styles. Look, we have already used the div selector 3 times. With CSS nesting, we can achieve the exact same result, but in a much more elegant way. Right here in our topmost div, we type an ampersand and then another selector, like h1, and we put all these properties up there. Now we can remove this. This ampersand is absolutely mandatory and refers to whatever our parent selector is. In our case, it is this div selector. So now let's bring our rule for the paragraph also up here and remove that. As you can see, our code works just as before, this time utilizing the powerful nesting feature. Another great thing, you are not limited to the element selector alone. No, you can actually use the other selectors as well, like the class selector or the pseudo classes. Let me quickly add a nested hover, starting with the ampersand, and set the background color to red. A quick word on specificity and nesting. So it does not matter where you place your usual style rules. They come before the nested rules or after. So I could change that background color and bring it all the way down. And you see, it still works fine. However, do keep in mind that behind the scenes, this nesting needs to get translated. So no matter what your order is, the normal CSS rules, like our background color dark blue, will always come first. Only then all nested rules. Since this directly affects the CSS order, some conflicting rules may get overridden due to the cascading nature. So far, nesting is quite handy, but it has a true hidden strength. You can also nest media queries. Let's see how it's done. So basically, I start with add media. I define my breakpoint, set min width of 500 pixels, and then I specify a set of CSS rules, all nested inside the div. Now let me open the device toolbar in my Chrome Developer Tools and drag those edges. As soon as I go below 500 pixels, the background color changes. The reason why I think this media query nesting is so powerful is because this cuts our CSS code into pieces. Each piece is easily digestible for our brain. No need for scrolling to the end of the style sheet to find the media queries. You just have this one block of code that refers to a specific section of your website. You can tackle all style issues there. You see, with CSS nesting, you can speed up your coding, enjoy more readable style sheets, and the best thing, finally every major browser supports it. Alright, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I am looking forward to seeing you in the next video.